for the wave.
Okay, go ahead.
Woo! We're doing the wave. We're doing the wave. Woo! Go Jordan, go Jordan. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. Go Jordan, go Jordan.
Actually, it's 3.
I'm gonna kick you in your leg.
Well, I'm gonna kick you in your face.
After I kick you in your leg, you're gonna be on the ground, so you're not gonna be able to kick me in my leg.
Uh-huh. I said in your face, not your leg.
What is Jamel doing over the summer?
Nothing.
How do you know what he's doing?
Because he's lazy. He doesn't do anything.
Hi, Jamel.
He has no life.
I'm gonna say hello.
His name's not Jamel, Mommy. What I tell you his name is?
Oh, Jamila.
Good job. Jamila, Jamila.